Why?
Too much. I don't know what to do.
Why sore? You went to the gym?
Not just sore from playing ball 3-4 times a week. It's too much.
Where do you play Where do you play? Here? Friday? What else?
Tuesday. Renzo.
Oh, you play there, Renzo.
I don't know what to do to get.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
I don't know how to get this out.
You just have to stretch it. That's it. Yeah, like that. But you have to stretch until here. You have to go to give you exercise.
That's true. They would readjust me and then the shit would go away.
Until here.
What do you mean?
You have to,
Like this?
yeah,
Like get into the thigh?
yeah, but you're gonna stretch it, just that one, until here. So you do those, the one that I showed you before. You lift when you're in the bed, right? Lift your arms with your maybe belt, or you have lift it up until stretch like here. So until here and then here. That one's here.
Slowing me down.
Go there. Look at the box there, like for the volleyball. The pole, right? The bottom one. Put your feet there. And lift it up.
Yo, I'm flat-footed. I can't run. So I'm like, I have no pop.
Put your feet there. Try it. Try it. Okay naman linggo? Yes. Tahimik naman ha?
Si Nani. Nakakatulog pa nga ako, nakakadukduk ako.
Pwede naman talaga eh. Basta pag pumasok na lahat ng tao, wala na gagawin, di ba?
Par, isang pamilya ko.
Ito na pala. Ang ina, sa best lang nagtrabaho ng Sunday mo. Bago na sapatos. Grabe naman yun.
40 lang niya. Ako po. $10 lang.
Diyan ko lang yung 20 na. Bawasan yung gas kanina eh. Bawasan yung 20 ba?
Ginaya! Ginaya! Saan po ito?
Kapit pa dito sa Banwick. Hindi nakyat.
Oo, parang marami na ginagawa kapag napagod sa katawan mo, di ba?
Hindi mo sa bahay.
Kahit anong trabaho ko eh. Kung mabili yung COVID mga ganyan eh.
Ito isang Sunday lang.
Sunday,
Dalawa na pala.
tulog na sa Sunday, meron na.
Game na ako. Di ba? That's the next. Siyempre next.
Saan, laro ka na dito next? Kaya mo na?
2 minutes. Sabi ko pa nandito. Okay lang. Pala, kunin ko na ulit yung Sunday. Nakakabili ako sa patas. Kailangan ako isama na ko. Yes, may COVID ka. Diba?
Sa ano, no? Sa Jamaica na Jollibee, daming ibang lahi na. May guard? May guard? Saan? Full Full na ba? Uli! Good! Reggie! Shoot kayo!